Creating video shouldn't feel this hard. You record a video, then you have to edit, trim it, export it, wait for it to render, upload it, and then resend it when something changes. If you make one small mistake, you start all over again. For many businesses owner, coaches and teams, video editing become time consuming, frustrating and unnecessary, especially when all you want to do is explain something quickly. The everyday problem, whether you're explaining a system, training a client, or onboarding a team member, or answer the same question over and over again. The traditional video editing slows you down. It turns simple explanation into long tasks and delays communication. So, what is Loom? When I started to use Loom, something changed. Okay, it make it easier. So Looms let you record your screen, your voice, your face in one click without editing, without rendering, and without uploading file. You hit record, explain, and stop video instantly, and it gets shareable link. Imagine that. At the same time, it also have captions. It will also create titles with AI, and even it will translate to whatever language you like. And that's just blowing, right? Imagine there's no video editing, no exporting, no back and forth meetings, just record, share, and move. If you have something change, you simply record a new Loom. It's fast, clear, and personal. And it saves hours and weeks of work. So now, let me show you how to use Loom and why it's one of the easiest tools for explaining and training communicating without headaches. So go to loom.com, sign up with your Google or email, start free, okay? Don't have to pay. There's no credit card. Start free so that you can just be aware or be familiarized with the system. So you can also install Loom through extensions. So this is how you're gonna do it. So here, this is what extension, or you can go to this three dot and look for extension. Manage that extension or visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, so from Chrome Web Store, you look for Loom. From that Loom, you install. So because like I already have Loom, it asked me to remove. Okay, so in case that you don't have Loom yet, it will ask you to install. Then once installed, okay, when you're going to record the video, you just need to go to this extension. This is a shortcut for extension, and then you just choose Loom.